Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Cat, and today we're playing Bee Swarm Simulator. But we're not playing, we are making codes. Yes, we are going to be typing in all the codes for you guys today. So let's start off and see how far our little newbie here can get with the codes. Now, there will be a little bit of gameplay, but yeah. So the first code I'm going to redeem. So some of these you might have to be in the group. I don't know, but I know one group. So here's the first code, Wax. It will give you 5 tickets and 5,000 honey. And then the next code is Roof. It will give you 5 tickets. And the next code is Nectar. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. I'll slow down. That will give you 10. That will give you 5,000 honey. And then, okay, get ready for this next code. It's Bees Buzz 123. And it gives you a cloud vial, 1 bitterberry, and 5 bitterberries, and 10 gumdrops. And then Buzz is also a code. It will give you 5,000 honey. Next code is Cog. So you get 5 tickets. Then next code is Marshmallow with not an E and A and for. Then the next code is Tea Spring. Now 2 E's. See, 2 E's, and there. We'll give you Bamboo Field Boost and. And then the next code is Band. It's a new code. And here's another code. Secret Profile Code. And then the next code is, you'll have to be in the group for this one, but it's Club. God. Okay, Club Converters. And we'll give you 10 microconverters. So, if I think of any, we have another code, Discord 100K. There, and then let's do 5 members. 4 members. There. So there are all the codes. So let's see how far our noob can get. So we're just gonna get some pollen from the dandelion field, and then we're gonna go hatch our bee. So this is really helpful. These codes can boost you up if you're just starting out. They can. So let's put our basic egg and let's turn him into a shocked bee. There, we got a shocked bee. So I think we're gonna level up our shocked bee. If you guys don't mind, let's level him up. Level up. He is level 5. So we have a level 5 bee, and let's go to the shop and see what we can buy with our little noob. Again, you might have to join the group for the code, so don't go in the comments and start complaining, oh, these codes don't work, because you have to join the group. So let's go on the dandelion and see how far we can get. Okay, we have a level 5 bee, so this is going to be pretty good. We should probably maybe next video, I was thinking if I get Robux, we could do a noob with mythic egg, right? For this, and see how far we can go with it. So, yeah. We are currently grinding. Okay, actually, we're gonna level up our little bee right here, if we can. Oh, no, we can't. Let's see what our bee likes. Do you like pineapples? Yep, you like pineapples. And, I'm thinking of other codes just for that. But, still. Let's see if we can buy our way up into the 5B zone. So we have a thing there. Okay, I got 2 basic eggs. Let's hatch both of them and see what we get. We got a basic bee and a basic bee. Let's use our shocked bee. I got a stubborn bee. Let's level up our stubborn bee. Yay, we got festive gifts. Oh, and we got a royal jelly from it, which is great. So we can transform our basic bee into a bumblebee. Let's feed all the blueberries to the bumblebee. Yeah, you get all the blueberries. And then we leave all strawberries and the treats for our little stubborn bee. Alright, so let's continue on with our newbie adventure. I'm thinking of another code. Here, I'm gonna try one. Does this work? Is it too old? Here, I have to. Oh, yep. Gumdrops for Science is another code. Yeah. Can we get... Oh, we got a bomb, our first bomb. Pretty great. How many tickets do we have? We have 18 tickets, which is pretty good. We can almost get a gold egg. You guys think we should get a black bear quest? I think we should. Even if you don't think we should, I think I should. Come on. Let's go get the black bear quest. Oh, and let's get some gumdrops. Yeah. Hi, I'm Black Bear. Sunflowers start. I can do that. Oh, we're already done. That was pretty easy. Our gumdrops helped us. And then we have Dandelion Deed. A new Dandelion Deed. Yep. My favorite quest. Because we got a Dandelion boost. Wait, did we get a Dandelion boost? What the? I thought we got a Dandelion boost. Oh. I thought we got a Dandelion boost, but we did not. Come back to me. Yep, I'm back. 500 pollen. I can do that. But first, let's go get these converters. Oh, and I think there's another code. Jump. Start. Yep. You got jump start. Now that's a code for like the Ready to Player 2 event. So use that if you want to get the... If you want to do that. So this is just a quick video to say, oh, there's codes. I didn't know that. How do we get so much pollen so fast? It's a little weird. We do. And it's a little weird, but it's okay, because we get pollen. Let's empty out all of our honey. Yeah. Yep. And we can go in the 5B zone. So, little newbie, And if you hear weird noises in the background, it's just my fish tank, if you're wondering. Yeah, we got level 2 basic bee. Our hive is looking pretty great, guys. And now we can go into the and here's another code for the event. It's a Luther for the Ready Player 2 event. I don't know what it means, so if it means any bad thing, I'm sorry. Alright. Let's go into the 5B zone and fight our spider. Come at me, spider. I want to fight you. Yeah. Come on. Is that even... Oh, no, that's my spider. Oh, no. My spider is gonna kill me. I gotta run. Don't kill me, spider. No, please don't. Stop. Stop it. He's killing me, guys. He's killing me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Well, once we defeat this spider, that's where we're gonna end off the video. Well, we died, but this was Mr. Cat Games signing off.